What will Apple do to find growth in the second half is the question. The last quarter they reported last week was actually not bad. Phone demand was high. I have a friend who's in the cell phone business, and he pointed out that they're talking about switching from titanium back to aluminum, which means more broken phones, which means a faster replacement cycle. With titanium, the only stuff that breaks is the screen or the battery to force people to upgrade. And nobody's upgrading for a better camera because the cameras at this point are like sci-fi. They're so good. ChatGPT is better than AI Siri, so no one's going to upgrade for Apple's AI. So how do you get people to buy phones faster and not hold on to an iPhone for 5 years? Make them break easier. So I know that's a really cynical take, but it also happens to be true. So if they actually go through with this and go back to aluminum, you will know the reason why. They need the phones to break. Another thing they can do, though, is triple the size of their ad business. It's $7 billion a year right now. Think about this.
That shocked me, by the way. That number shocked me. I had no idea.
Should be way higher. Amazon decided to focus on its ad business and within a few years became the third largest advertising platform on earth. There's no reason Apple can't do this. And they're already in the business. It would not be from a standing start. Think about all the opportunities Apple has to put ads in front of you. Your eyes never take themselves away from their screens.
Wouldn't it be on the phone? You don't want ads popping up on your phone.
No, within their services business. Apple has a huge opportunity in advertising. Just look at Netflix. They said in calendar 2025, their ad business will double. Half of Netflix's subscribers are now in the ad-supported tier. Michael, that took 3 years. This is a chart from a really good piece by Julia Alexander at Puck. If Apple decides they want to talk about advertising to Wall Street and get really seriously focused there, that's a good answer to the question of where will Apple find growth. What are your thoughts?
I think in the short term, the stock is so relatively depressed to its peers and just the sentiment. Nobody's bullish on Apple that I think it wouldn't take much to change sentiment and get the stock to pop. Problem is they really do need a growth engine because the stock is not cheap. And that's like the bigger overhang. So they need either an AI play, which is, I think, seeming increasingly unlikely. I guess they can make an announcement and surprise us. Or they go in, they lean into what you're talking about. And if they were to go from 7 billion to 20 billion, that would be significant, even for them.
There's no ad-supported tier for Apple TV. You're telling me if they launched an ad-supported tier, they wouldn't pick up millions and millions of more subs who just don't want to pay the full freight? Everyone's already done this. In fact, Amazon Prime members are defaulted to the ad-supported tier, and you have to pay a premium to have no ads. Paramount is showing you ads. Netflix is showing you ads. Peacock is showing you ads. What are you waiting for? Yeah. Ad-supported Apple TV, do it. Do it.
Bacardi Cola.
Just make it happen.